Did you know that plants can actually communicate with each other? Through a complex system of underground networks, plants are able to send signals to one another, sharing information about their environment. Research has shown that plants can warn each other of impending danger, such as the presence of predators or harmful pathogens. They can also send messages to attract beneficial insects for pollination or protection. This incredible communication system helps plants thrive and survive in their natural habitats. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about the natural world.